I'm going to be introducing you to a number of affiliate programs. I want to start by introducing you to the Click Magick affiliate program. And yes, it's really spelled like that, Click Magick with a CK.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
The reason I want to start with this one is that it's a really reputable, high quality, trusted brand in online marketing. If you're not familiar with them, what do? They help people who run ads. If you run any ads, they help your ads become more effective. They help with A/B testing for ads. They track pixel, which is essentially a way to track the effectiveness of ads and user behavior. They give a lot of analytics of where the problem in a sales funnel might be happening so that it can get fixed. And it just increases and helps you track the effectiveness of your free and paid promotions. So in one sentence, if you describe the service, it just helps people run ads more profitably. And you know, today, almost every business is running ads. So it's really something that's very, very, very widely used across many industries. It's popular and it's relatively easy to sell. Now, before I get into the details of this offer, I want to clear up some confusion about how this course is structured. I'm starting by showing you a number of hand-picked affiliate programs that are really, really good in this industry, really popular ones that also have minimal requirements. You don't need a website. They don't have any harsh requirements. You can start on day one. You can sign up on day one. I'll be showing you how to do that in a second. And you can start promoting on day one. So that's the beauty of it. Later in the course, I'm going to give you deeper understanding of where to find many, many more potential affiliate programs to promote and how to tell which ones are going to be better and more lucrative for you. After that, we're going to cover a lot of ways to promote them, because some students say, well, you're showing me the programs, but you're not explaining how to promote them. That's going to happen in the second part of the course. First, I'm going to give you the fundamentals, and then I'm going to show you a lot of marketing strategies: ads, social media, SEO, email marketing, social automation. We're going to cover all of that stuff in the second part of the course. But first, you have to get to understand the affiliate marketing. Even something I'll do for you is, if you get through over 50% of the course, for people who do that, I just want to motivate you. I'll retweet at least one of your promotional tweets from my business account at Problemio on Twitter. It has over 1,000 followers. I know it's not tremendously much, but at least it's something, and it's at least something to get you going. Now, a little more about this offer. First of all, it's a really popular brand, and the beauty of it is it has very high commissions, and it has recurring commissions, meaning if you sell this month, as long as that customer stays a customer, you're going to get paid this month, next month, next month, next month for the same customer, as long as they remain a customer. And this company, Click Magick, they specialize in customer retention. Their customers stay, and that's the beauty of their program. Now, even though for most people the affiliate commission is high, I actually contacted them directly and negotiated a even higher commission rate for students of this course. Usually it's 35% for their affiliates, but you're going to get 40% commission, and that's recurring. Now, the way for them to know to give you 40% instead of 35% commissions is to go through this link, clickmagick.com/go/affiliate. I'll show you how that will work. Wherever you are on the web, all you have to do is enter into your browser clickmagick.com/go/affiliate, and you're going to end up landing on the homepage. What you want to do is it's going to register that, hey, we need to give them 40%. So when you scroll all the way down and you click on affiliates right here, there's a little link, affiliates. You see how it says industry leading 35% recurring commissions? They're actually going to give you 40%. So what you do is you scroll down and you create an account. As soon as you create an account, the only thing you need is a PayPal email. You just need a PayPal account so you can get paid. I know in some countries PayPal is not allowed, but somehow they have to pay you, and that's their method of payment. So you pick your username and password, click let's make some money, and then in your dashboard it will say 40% commissions. and it's going to give you links that you can immediately start to go and promote on social media, your Facebook or your website or your YouTube, wherever you choose to promote. If you're hesitant about promoting just yet, then wait, because we're going to cover a lot of other affiliate programs and we're going to cover a lot of ways to promote. I'm going to be showing you how to promote. So by the end of the course, you'll know how to promote and you're going to be much more confident in it. But this program is fantastic because if you're confident and you want to hit the ground running, you can do all this in day one. In fact, you can do this in 20 minutes and start promoting this program and hopefully start earning money that quickly.